How to buy gift cards with Google Play Balance. The first things first is, of course, open up your Google Play Store and check if you have sufficient amount of balance from your Google Play. Now, the second thing to do is decide whatever Google or whatever gift card you will be purchasing out. So, say for example, we will be buying a gift card directly from Lazada. So, just open up your Lazada application and just simply type in gift card. So, let's take a look on what specific gift that we can purchase. Okay, so let's try to use a e-gift voucher from Gcash. So for you to be able to purchase this using your Google Play balance, just simply tap on buy now on this specific product, and then on the payment method, you just have to tap in view all methods, and in here you just have to choose on um, Google Play or Google Pay as your payment method. And that's it. That's how you purchase or just how you buy gift cards with Google Play Balance.